We are a manufacturer of men's shoes, and the design of the shoe is first class. Soft bottom is very comfortable to wear, just like stepping on a cloud. Don't be cheap to you. The whole skin is very soft, the lines are very tough, people are comfortable to pass through, have good air permeability, don't cover their feet, don't smell footsteps, walk in the morning without slipping, and have good wear resistance. Simple leggings, whether they are heel pants, casual pants or sweatpants, are very beautiful, and there are not many men's shoes for driving up the mountain to and from work. The quality is good, and it will be enough for a while. Today, our factory sells directly. When we cut this video, my friend will get 20% off. Which friend? Bridge. Brothers.